I'm gonna show you an exercise that's embarrassing, but we're gonna do it anyways. We call this exercise the barfing cat, and you're gonna see why. It is actually a glute exercise done on a machine that is typically used for your low back, but we're gonna break it down. You're gonna turn your toes out, you're gonna press your hips into that pad, and I want you to think about coming up using your glutes and your hamstrings. So you're gonna round your spine like a cat barfing a hairball onto the floor, and then you're gonna lift with your glutes. Come down, take a nice deep breath, and then exhale, come forward, squeeze with your glutes. That is gonna recruit all of the glute muscles versus coming up and using your low back. So when you see somebody doing this at the gym, they're doing it for their glutes and not their low back. Another thing you have to remember is that things are not gonna look cute when you do this exercise. You should be tucking your chin, kind of creating a double chin motion. And when you squeeze your glutes, you're gonna see likely cellulite. You're gonna squeeze it and it's not gonna look cute. That's okay. The results will look cute in the end. So give it a try and let me know what you think.